Hindi talaga yung Butatok, yung mga body combination ni Carl James Martin.
And of course, what started...
Oh, nice left by Martin!
Lisa Rob.
Oh, how he carried this fight. Oh, he's sensing something.
Finishing instinct of Carl.
Taong 2023 buwan ng Oktubre matapos manalo via unanimous decision ang ating kababayan at tubong Ifugao na si Carl James Martin, kontra sa nooy Tanzanian boxer na si Oscar Duge. Ay 2 buwan lamang ang nakalipas ay hinarap naman ng ating pambato ang dayung Thai boxer na si Chaiwatbo at Prathak para sa bakanteng WBO Global Super Bantamweight title. Sa pagkakataong ito ay dito po masusubok kung gaano na nga ba kahusay ang tinaguriang Wonder Boy ng Ifugao sapagkat ang makakaharap niya ay ang mas eksperyensadong boxer. Bago po ang kanilang laban ay naging WBC Youth Silver Super Flyweight Champion itong si Buat Krathak taong 2015 at naging WBC Asian Continental Featherweight Champion rin taong 2022. Bago niya nakaharap si Martin ay may 2 Pinoy na rin itong nilabanan, ito ay sina Raymart Gabalio taong 2019 at natalo ito via knockout, at Milan Mel Indo taong 2023 at natalo ito via unanimous decision. May kartada itong 40 na panalo, 8 na talo at 26 na panalo sa pamamagitan ng knockout habang ang ating kababayan na si Martin naman ay may kartadang 22 na panalo at 17 sa mga nakalaban nito ay hindi na pinaabot sa desisyon. Pero bago yan, kung ngayon ka palang napadpad dito sa aking channel ay huwag mo na ring kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell bilang pagsuporta dito sa aking channel. Naganap ang laban sa Elorde Sports Complex sa Parañaque City. Tara mga idol at panoorin natin ang kanilang naging bakbakan.
Sporting ay red and white Carl James Martin. Chanis Pao.
Carl James Martin, our elders in Ifugao, mga Igorot. It marks a very momentous event.
Tsaka heftier, nakikita mo yung mga shoulder niya. Malalaki ang mga bilindo.
Yes,
napansin natin yung although malaki siya.
Hindi ka naman kasi pwedeng masanction na lumaban. James Martin enters the ring with the perfect record. Everyone...
Ang pinaglalabanan nila bakanting deal.
Yes. It's good to clarify that.
The two of this fighter ang champion. Bakante ang
12 round bout is important. Patience, pacing is important. That straight landed for
size up Butatok. Pagka sinasabi sa Pilipino, tinatansya-tansya niya.
And also, yun nga, may nag-comment dito, both are known for their warrior mentality.
Bout between Chaiwat and Butatok. Like I always say, pag kino-cover natin siya, Carl James Martin could view by points and he has the power to deliver that knockout.
Evolving.
Siguro yung growth of TGB promotion and Prince Osoporta kay Carl James Martin.
Uses timing.
Medyo hindi lahat ng boxer may ganung capability.
Sumusuporta kay Carl. Shot by both boxers at that exchange.
That count, Martin countered with a lot of combination on.
And also does, he counters with volume hook. Butbatok with that deeping left hook and that right counter.
Naman natin that Carl James Martin, hindi mo matatawaran yung hard siyang schedule na fight. He constantly training. So, yun rin ang factor also on this collide between a Thailander and a Filipino.
And facing, of course, kahit naman sino malakas na tao, don't game plan to actually pace yourself in a 12 round bout.
LinkedIn na fighter. And I think he he has a lot of fight ay na to. So, medyo mabigat din to for Kyle James Martin.
For sure.
Para sa world title, siyempre. Lahat naman tayo makuha ang world title.
Of course, we go through these steps and go first and then you fight for a regional title.
Gawa ni Kyle James Martin. Step-by-step ladder by last of him right now. That left to the body, connected. Yung sinasabi na nila, and try to bulldoze him. Yan ang game plan ngayon ni Chatway Bukato. A nice uppercut by Kyle James Martin. Oh!
To face another southpaw.
Yeah, maraming mga boxer dyan na ayaw lumaban ng southpaw to southpaw.
Exactly.
Oh, yes.
Because it's a huge adjustment.
12-round fight. Partner, dumong sa nagsasabi.
Right, Oh, that upper and then hook up top landed for Kyle James Martin.
So, matibay kasi yung Thailander na to.
Stock answers immediately. Yun yung sabi ko sa partner. Buat Kratok, barely nga natin sa title ng show natin months.
Maybe isa sa mga arsenal na dapat kanya doon. Try to test the body of Kratok also.
Again, your commentator right now, Rica Aquino, Alvin Escoff, Real Fight.
Also take it out for the WBO Global Flyweight.
Try what Kratok. Take a look at his previous fights. This guy is number 4, ranked 4 in Thailand.
A left did connect for Kyle James Martin. So, medyo yung hangin medyo buka na yung ni Kotatok. Hindi natin alam niya alis na yun. But he did connect with that right to the face of Kyle James Martin. Scoring punch, 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes, uppercut to the body. Napapansin mo, so medyo marami siya pumato ngayon.
Using his legs to just corner Martin, but Carl answers with the combination right there as he was getting out.
Oh, that body really hurts. Good to
With a consecutive right hook, both to the head and the body.
Oh, that left upper. Wow!
Oh, wow. Martin with that uppercut certainly hurt Buat Kratok. And he senses blood in the water, partner. Oh, wow.
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
That uppercut that got through the guard.
Wow!
Oh, wow. I think Buat Kratok.
Medyo sa katawan taninda talaga ng Butatok yung mga body combination ni Kyle James Martin.
And of course, what started...
Oh, nice left by Martin!
Oh, his knees are robbed.
Oh!
Wow. Martin was able to roll that counter punch. Oh, another hook after hook by Martin.
Ano naman siya ng 1-2 doon? Oh!
Wow, he was able to recover from that. He was by those punches and he is still standing, partner. Counters with...
Oh, a little rubbery legs for Butatok right now. Butatok. Malalaman natin kung this round number 6 he carried this fight. Oh, he's sensing something.
Finishing instinct of Carlo.
Pagdating dito sa ika-6 na round ay dito na nga napabagsak ng ating pambato ang Thai boxer na si Buat Krathak, matapos tamaan ng body shot mula kay Martin, hanggang sa itinigil na ng referee ang kanilang laban. Wagi ang ating kababayan via 6th round technical knockout at nakuha ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito mga idol at maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. So hanggang dito na lang tayo mga idol.